What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option airplane mode. Now turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then scroll down and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.